Hi guys, this video is all about trims. First of all, I'm gonna tell you how to draw lace, okay? Well, in this video, I'm gonna compile 5 to 6 trims quickly, so please watch carefully. See, this is how we draw lace. Draw small and delicate flowers very close to each other like this. Okay. Now fringes. This is how we make fringes. Straight lines with little drops at its bottom. Okay. Another way can be this. These are the easiest way of drawing trims. Okay. Easiest and quickest. See. Another type of lace can be this. Just move your hand haywire quickly and you're done. See. I'm leaving these gaps intentionally. Now fringes again. Drops. Now this is how we show jali work. Crisscross of diagonal lines. Now feathers. These feathers are in upward direction and these feathers are falling down from inside the lace. Okay. This should be your hand movement. Fringes falls straight but feathers are light in weight so they don't fall straight. So draw them like a grass. Okay. Now bind them with a lace like this. Or you can draw lace first and then feathers. It is up to you. This is a bowl of feathers, grounded. Now let me tell you how to draw a pearl. Make a round, shade it a little bit and leave some white area to show shine on it. Okay, it's easy once you practice it. See. Now tassel. Another type of tassel can be like this. This is more delicate. Above one is conical and bottom one is little rounded at top. Okay. So let me name them for you. These are fringes, lace, tassels, feathers, round feathers. This is pearl. This is lace type 1. This is type 2. This is jal work and fringes. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed it. Keep practicing and thank you.